My name is Sakshi and I want to become an artist.
Hi, my name is Jayesh. I want to become a pro tattoo artist.
Hi, my name is Gagan and it's my dream come true to be here.
The day I got the acceptance letter, I felt like my life changed.
I'm heading towards the school and I'm so excited.
Walking into Aliens Tattoo School, it's not just a school, it's a whole new world of art.
Every wall, every corner here breathes creativity. It's unbelievable. It felt like stepping into a dream. The kind where everything you've ever wanted is right in front of you.
When I held the tattoo machine for the first time, I was shaking, but here I have learned to channel that energy into art.
Each sketch, each line, it's not just learning, it's discovering yourself. The mentors here aren't just teachers, they are artists who have lived the journey we are on.
This place is more than a school. I feel this is where I belong. It's a community of like-minded artists.
Getting an internship was a dream come true. I am one of them now. I am an alien.
Sakshi Panwar from Aliens Tattoo.
Winning that first award at one of the biggest conventions in India felt like a dream come true.
Finishing this course isn't the end. It is the beginning of a new journey for me and I'm so grateful to Aliens Tattoo School for this experience.
I finally found my path to artistry, to success, to mind free.